Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about derivative. So now I will show you how to answer. We want to find fifth derivative. So before we do first derivative, we can change about the square root of 2x minus 1 into 2x minus 1 to the power of 1 over 2 because the square root represent about 1 over 2. Now I will apply the formula in here. We have y equals to ax plus b to the power of c. So if we do first derivative of y, we have c a as plus b to the power of c minus 1, because if we do first derivative, the value of the power that we have the same. Later that we continue do first derivative of as plus b. That's why we have a in here. Next, the power that will reduce by negative number 1. So if we do second derivative, we have c minus 1. Later that we do first derivative of ax plus b. So we have another a in here. And we have c minus 2. So a with a we have a square. C multiplied by c minus 1. So if we continue do derivative, we have another c minus 2 and we have another a in here. So in this situation that we have the series in here. Now if we want to find fifth derivative of this one, so we have y to the power of y to fifth derivative. So we have 1 over 2 in here. In this situation, we have the series 1 over 2 multiplied by 1 over 2 minus 1. So we have first, second, third, fourth, and fifth derivative. Next, about 2x minus 1, they still do first derivative in here in 5 times. So that means we have coefficient of x, that's about number 2. So if we do 5 times of derivative, so we have 2 to the power of 5. And this one, we have 2x minus 1 to the power of 1 over 2 minus 5. Because we do 5 times of derivative. And now we can simplify this one. So we have 105. This one, we have negative 9 over 2. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.